Be Green, A Rat's Eye View of Garbage was a hands-on art project that allowed students to explore sustainability, our local environment, and then also engage in art in a way that they don't tend to, using trash to create local animals and explore how they're impacted by local trash and ecosystems.
A lot of groups had really interesting and really awesome ideas that I thought were implemented so beautifully and amazing.
Students learned about plastic and different types of plastic and how they do not decompose in the environment. When they brought their own trash in, they learned about their own personal impact on the environment.
I felt like this really focused on all four of our cornerstones: community, character, collaboration, and creativity. We had to create original ideas. We got to work as a team and working with outside community members.
I hope that they learned that they can create art out of anything, as well as how to be more sustainable themselves and make daily choices to better our environment.